you can turn organic waste into high-quality biogas, as well as nutrient-rich compost, all through the use of Aikan Technology. Starting off here in Denmark, and soon to work on North American soil, with the help of Turning Earth.
We are Aikan's North American partner. We have the exclusive license to the technology, and we are deploying it in our organics recycling facilities that will use the Aikan technology to recycle organics into renewable energy and compost.
The construction of the first Aikan plant in North America will begin early 2015 in the town of Southington, Connecticut. Annually, it will convert more than 50,000 tons of organic waste to biogas, as well as to compost and heat for greenhouses to produce vegetables for the local community. Turning Earth currently has 8 more facilities in the pipeline, mainly in New England. But the unique Aikan technology alone is not enough. Many other factors must be brought into play to successfully complete the facility. A heavy checklist which doesn't miss location, location, location.
Well, this is 111 Spring Street in Southington. This is the site of the Turning Earth Central Connecticut facility. It's a previously disturbed site, but it's a little over 30 acres just north of Interstate 84. And it's a great location, well screened from residences, but in an industrial zone and a pretty good location for what we intend to do.
The town of Southington is a key stakeholder and has played a major role in the realization of the project, which is expected to be of great benefit to the town.
Well, it's a very easy thing for us to do because it really does continue to help redefine what's important to Southington. There are 2 critical aspects of that. Aspect 1 is we try to increase our tax base. The other side, though, and probably a more important side of why we support the Turning Earth project and the Aikan Technologies is because we are redefining what Southington stands for. We were traditionally a manufacturing community, and now the new technology of organics, recycling, and anaerobic digestion takes us to the future.
But nursing the stakeholders and the community behind is an integral part of the process, no matter how great the prospects.
We have to go through a local public hearing process before the Planning and Zoning Commission in the town that we're in, and that is probably the riskiest part of a project like this. Even when you have a fantastic project, it's great on the environmental merits, it's great on the economic merits, and it resonates with people, it's good for the environment. You can still have a project derailed by misinformation and people's concerns about having something new in their neighborhoods. So a big part of what we did at Turning Earth was take a very proactive approach to that, and we went out into the community to talk with people and educate them and hear what their concerns were. And it was a really fruitful strategy for us. We did a lot of work meeting with the community that was, there's a neighborhood that's near the site. We met with all of those folks. We heard their concerns. We invited them to the site and walked them through the site so they could see how removed it is from their neighborhood. I went and met with people. I offered to, if somebody had a question, I would come and meet with them at their home. Whatever they wanted to do, I would come and sit with them. We also did a lot of networking behind the scenes with the town. It was a really good experience. Through that, I feel like we've really connected with the town. I feel like Turning Earth has a face that people trust, and it was a great experience, and that's the way that we will continue to develop our projects going forward.
Turning Earth signed a 10-year contract for delivery of waste for the facility in Southington and at least 8 other facilities with Covanta, the region's largest waste-to-energy company.
We did a tremendous amount of due diligence on various different technologies, and after completing the due diligence, we felt that the Aikan technology was best suited for our partnership, and in turn we solidified our partnership with Turning Earth. We believe that there's a significant customer base in Connecticut, and quite frankly, collectively with Turning Earth, we will bring that to fruition. We believe AD, anaerobic digestion, has sold itself in Connecticut. There has been legislation that passed, but quite frankly, our customer base is extremely excited about doing this separation. And again, back to my earlier point, we are there to provide them the training and infrastructure to do that. So to convince them that this is the right thing to do environmentally, they know that, and we help drive that during our ability to solidify long-term contracts.
Each facility has a price tag of at least $20 million, so putting the right financial deal together for each project is a critical milestone. For the Southington facility, the funding is secured through a mix of public and private sources.
Connecticut Green Bank has provided Turning Earth's project with a subordinated loan, and by doing so, they've helped to utilize the government's finances to help pull private capital into the fold, so as to finance this first project.
Acquiring the necessary permits is more complicated in the US than in Denmark and requires in-depth knowledge of local and state law.
There's a lot of environmental permitting that has to go on, both at the state level as well as the local level, and that's sort of my area of expertise. I manage our engineering teams who put together all of the technical documents that go into this, and some of these applications are hundreds of pages when we're submitting our documents to the state.
The team behind is looking forward to see the first project break ground in the United States in 2015.
We hope that this one will be the first of many Turning Earth facilities powered by the Aikan technology in North America.
Development of the business model for exporting the Aikan technology and the preparation of the first project in the town of Southington is performed by Aikan, Turning Earth, Aquaro, First Mile and the Consulate General of Denmark in Chicago, and is supported by Marcus Munningsfonden.